Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. So today we're going to be inspecting on our stabilizer bushes. So over here you can see here's our stabilizer, and this is just underneath the car. That is just another better view of what you're dealing with. The stabilizers, you can see, has a missing, what do you call this? It's a bolt, a number 14. So we're trying to work on it so that we may eliminate the thumping noise as we drive. So without further ado, let's mount everything up in place so that we may get working on it. Yeah, enjoy. As you can see, we're trying to get rid of thumping noise every time we're riding. Suspicion, or rather we suspect the bearing, the wheel bearing is gone, or rather is messed up. That's why we're having issues with the wheel. Bolt slipping. Finally, there's some progress with getting rid of, rather unlocking these bolts. They were quite tight, but all in all, we have some progress. This is the bolts number 17 that hold the suspension. Tunasaidiana hapa napita. Doors out. Out. Good God. The next one is this tie rods. We have a 17 spanner. Yeah, that's an almost loose. Gini ya? Eh. Pliers.
Tapeleka huyu jamaa hapo kwa presa kupesia ndio.
Aitoe.
Aitoe. Hapo bado ndio itavuta.
Sawa. Si anajua fanya ataitoa?
Anajua vile anatoa. Kimpatia tu ya. Kaka asipana geta.
Acha niongee naye na kama. Poa. Here's on bearing. The new set of bearing. This is the old one. You're about to get it swapped, and you're about to have a smooth ride. Happy 2026. This is a brake caliper. Shocks. This is a wheel hub. This is a tie rod. And basically, we're about to have a smooth ride. On this side, we have a brake disc, still in good shape. What some mileage.